There's a tool in Google Sheets that allows you to create your spreadsheets a lot quicker by using what we call the pull handle. So the pull handle is, you see up here in my selected cell, you can see that little blue box right above my mouse cursor. That's referred to as the pull handle. And it's kind of like a copy and paste tool, but it works a little bit differently. So Sheets will actually remember certain information and create patterns using the pull handle. So let me show you. Here I select the cell and that has Monday. If I drag this down to the row 7, you can see it populates with the days of the week in order, right? I can even select January, pull all the way down to 12, and I get all the months in the year. It even recognizes if you start in the middle of the year or if you use abbreviations. So here I'll start with the word Mar or March, and I use my pull handle, and it will give me the months following March in the same format or the abbreviated format of my original cell. So that's one way the pull handle can be used. It can also be used with numbers. Now, with numbers, it can be a bit tricky. You need to know what exactly you want Sheets to do in order for the pull handle to be effective. So I can grab this 1 right here, and if I pull the pull handle down, it's actually going to just copy the 1 all the way down. If I select 2 cells and they create a pattern, I can drag that pull handle down and I get a pattern. This even works if you have patterns like 2, 4, okay, and it's going to add by 2 every time. Now, one of the things that makes this the most powerful tool, or one of the most powerful tool in a worksheet application like Google Sheets, is formulas. So in this formula, you can see I have D1 and E1, so D1 plus E1. If I use my pull handle, notice the results of my formula is not the same. And the reason why is because now the references in my cell reference, they're subjective according to the current position of the cell I'm in. So instead of D1 and E1, I have D2 and E2 because I am in cell F2. And D3 and E3 are in cell F3, so on and so forth. Now, you can grab the pull handle and drag, which can be a good way to use the pull handle, but one more way you can make the pull handle work for you. Let me give you an example. So if I have content in my columns that goes further down, I can actually just select the data I want to copy and double click the pull handle. That will populate the data all the way down as if I had dragged the pull handle. So this is really helpful, particularly if you have up to thousands and thousands of rows of data. You can populate them all at once with just double clicking that pull handle.